Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to your Microsoft Excel formula class. In today's class, we have the topic of VLOOKUP, index and match, HLOOKUP, and lookup. So these are the four most important search tools with Microsoft Excel, and let us talk about them today and use them in our formula in a real life situation. Examples: VLOOKUP. Let's move to our another working sheet. And this sheet, you can see that we will learn here the use of VLOOKUP. Here is the ID of employee, the employee name, address, frequency, salary, tax rate, insurance, and here is the tax rate. Okay, now the frequency is, if this is the salary $42,900 and the 26th frequency means that the salary is paid after every 15 days. Here is the same situation, and this 52 means that the salary is paid every week, and the 12 means that the salary is paid every month 12 times. Here is 26 times, here is 52 weeks. So with the help of VLOOKUP, we are going to make a single salary receipt, a tab. From this list we will pick one record and we will fit it here in this payslip. So when we enter here, this 319 is already here. If it is here, look at this, and look at the name here, and then the check number is written by hand, hard written, and the net pay is calculated. The address is received with the help of this VLOOKUP. Name is also received with the help of the VLOOKUP. So if you design this sheet with ID, names and address and salary frequency, and here look at this employee code. So for example, if I pick the code number 154, the first row, so all the data will change and we can print this payslip easily. So let's talk about this, that how we have actually made this. We will enter this code, or we'll pick this from the list by hand. We will be using VLOOKUP to get this name to get it here from this list. If I double click this, so we can see that the whole data of the employee salary table is selected, and the L6 is here, the code of employee ID. If we look up this ID and this absolute reference B6 and IL is the table, comma 2, we'll be wanting this, we'll be needing this data from the second column, which is exactly the name. We'll be bringing this name into this M6 cell, comma 2. We'll pick the data from the second column, comma false, pick no data if match not found. If I press enter, we get this because of this code. The L6 is given here, and Microsoft Excel locate or look for this code 154 and it gets this code here, and then pick this name and show it here. So the check number is hard written. Now we'll talk about this net pay in a little while. The same way like we have picked this name, we have also picked this address with the help of the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP L6, similarly the criteria is L6. Find out the L6 and then get the data from the third column. We will be giving this absolute difference with this dollar sign. Here is again the dollar sign, and comma 3 means get the data from the third column, comma false, do not pick any data if nothing found in this L6. I hope you got this. Okay, so as we can see that the date is retrieved by the help of the VLOOKUP. This L6 is here, and L6 is searched in this index table, from B6 to L15. Here is the B6 cell and here is the L15 cell, and then we use this comma and we use this 3, and this 3 is telling that the answer is needed from this column 3. 154 is here, so we need this. Comma false, and false means if we do not find anything, we do not need anything here. So look at this, we got it. It is given correct address at a correct place with according to this employee ID. Now we are going to see that this pay is retrieved from here. L6 again is the employee ID. This red absolute difference is this data table, and this value is needed from column 5. This is column 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Value is needed from column 5. Again it is divided by VLOOKUP. Again this employee ID is used and the same data table is used. Comma 4, we have taken this frequency. We have taken this frequency from column number 4. Here is the column number 4. 1 2 3 4. This. Now this 42,900 divided by 26 is the salary for one frequency, which is a 15-day salary. It is 1650. Now with the help of the VLOOKUP, we have also calculated the taxes. For example, look at this tax. The tax is saying that M10, this 10 minus O11. Where is O11? This is O11, and again we are going to see at the formula M10 minus O11 minus O12 multiply by VLOOKUP this ID, this table from column 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this column 6 we are going to apply the percentage, comma 6, this percentage, comma false. So what we have done in this case, in this Texas situation, we subtracted from this net pay, from this pay we have subtracted this insurance and this retirement fund, and then we have applied this rate on 15% rate, and we got the tax amount, this from column number 6, comma false. Okay, and how do we make this insurance? They look at this with the help of the VLOOKUP. Again, this L6 employee ID, the red is indicating the data table, and from column 7 we got an insurance which is 100 rupees, and the retirement fund, this retirement, look at this, how is this coming? M10 minus, we look up this employee ID reference, this data table, comma 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is the rate. With the help of this 8% rate, this is the fund deduction for retirement purpose. This is the percentage of fund deduction. Retirement fund deduction. Retirement fund deduction tax rate. So that's how we got this employee ID. Then the data table, comma 8 from column 8, this is needed, and M10 is this blue cell, multiply by this 8%. We got this. So if we test it, equal to this 1650 into 8 divided by 100 percentage, we got this 132, and here is 132. With the help of the VLOOKUP, in order to directly engage everything here, to make dependent this data on this employee ID, the VLOOKUP is helping us in this. And this net pay is, look at this, from this minus this. What we have done, that this is the net, this is the pay, and here is the deductions. Look at this deductions. We have total the deduction, and then from the pay we have subtracted the taxes and retirement fund and insurance, and this is the amount that we will pay to the employee. And guys, we are using VLOOKUP in different situations, but it is a kind of interesting situation. For example, if I pick here another 540 code, look at this 540, so the data has changed, and we can print this payslip with kind of signature, and this would be the salary payment slip. I hope you have understand this, and you would like this, guys. And if you are new in watching this video and I hope that you would like this video and you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. So in this video today we have covered VLOOKUP, and the next lesson we are going to cover the other topics. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.